Hey there, welcome to QuickBooks Online. My name is Cindy McGukin, and I'm going to help walk you through this series of videos for this advanced course. I wanted to take a moment in this introduction video and tell you a little bit about myself and what to expect as you walk through this series of videos. I've actually been a software instructor for quite a number of years, and I've worked with QuickBooks for over 15 of those years. We're going to be covering a lot of information in this advanced course, and these are things that not everyone may use. For example, we're going to be looking at sales tax and payroll. Not everyone collects sales tax. It depends on if they have a service business or if they actually sell physical products in their business. Not everyone runs their payroll through QuickBooks. Some people use an outside service. We're also going to be looking a lot at some of the banking features in QuickBooks. One of the things that a lot of people want to do is they want to use the bank feed option in QuickBooks. We are going to go through that, how to set it up, but we're also going to talk about some reasons you may not want to use it. We'll be looking at how you set up PayPal and Square because those are actually bank accounts that you want to set up and use just like you would a regular checking account that you might have at your business. We're going to be talking about loans a little bit, how to set up your loans properly. And then also, when you pay those loans, how do you deduct the principal and the interest and show those in the proper categories? We're going to be looking at some odd features in QuickBooks as well. We're going to be looking at the mileage option. There's also an option for recurring transactions. Those are transactions that happen at the same time on a regular basis. For example, you might have a car payment that's deducted at the same time every month. Instead of you manually having to enter that transaction, we can set it up so QuickBooks will do that for you. Once we get through all these videos, we're going to wrap it up at the end, but I want you to make sure that you pay particular attention when you go through so that you have things set up correctly for your business. Make sure you get a pen and paper so you can take notes. Well, that's going to wrap up my introduction. I want to go ahead and get you started talking about products and services.